Okay, so now time is come here to save. Now I am going to save. Okay, now save all. So now everything is saved. Okay, program stop, save. So now everything is saved. Now if I will click in this, so I will direct get this function. Okay, and now if I will click, then I will direct get this function and I can run. So to design this, so many different kind of VIs and sub VIs I had used. Okay, so now our next target is, now our next target, to design that next target, I need write one more VI. Okay, I will close this main VI, and here I will target, I will try to design something different. How? Look at here. Now I am taking one array. If I will, from the front panel, if I will click 1, okay, so I want output, okay, here ONE1. If I will click here 0, so here I want my output ZERO0. So how we can design? To design that things, let's start our programming. Take one numeric control, take one indicator, its numbers and its number. Okay, take one string array, array constant. Now take, okay, now design string array constant. Drag it right here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 9. For the condition 0 to 9, it is a perfect. For the condition 0 to 9, it is perfect. Okay, now I will use right click array, index array function. Whatever you will design, you will use only this basic ideas. Whatever you will try to design, you will use this, only this basic functions. Okay, you will use only this basic functions. Now, okay, run. For 0 for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please copy first, then we will go ahead, because it is new for today. Okay, anybody done? Anybody done? Hanif has done. 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 Okay. Now move on the next section. How can we design? How can it is a good for 0 to 9? Okay. Let's save. Let's save it. Okay. Let's save it. Edit. Create a sub VI. Okay. Now double click. One input, one output. Okay. Right click. It is number to string. Select all. Okay. 0 to 9 and num to string. Okay. Okay. Save. Okay. 0 to 9. Just 0 to 9. Okay. Done. Let's delete. Look at here. 0 to 9 has been added. Okay. One new sub vi has been added. There is no multiple strings. There is no multiple strings anywhere. Okay. Now, how can we design from 0 to 99? Tell me. If you have any idea, then tell me how can we design from 0 to 99? Okay. I am going to explain how can we design 0 to 99. Okay. So for that, Control C, just Control C, delete all. When it's same, this thing. If you want to design 0 to 99, then you need same thing. But one thing, remember one thing, if you will try to write 0 to 99, then there is two kind of distribution. If you will see, so 0 to 19, 0 to 19, there is an uniform distribution. No distribution, everything is different. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is different. But after 20, everything is same. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. 28, 29, 20. So after the 20, then 30, 31, 32, 33. So after that distribution is different. Okay. That is uniform distribution, but till 19. So we will design first till 19. We will design this one till 19. So 10, write down with me, E E L E V E N 11, okay. TWELVE 12 THIRTEEN 13 FOURTEEN 14 FIFTEEN 15 16 PIGST 18 19 19, okay. So by using this we can generate 0 to 19, okay. So 0 to 19 write down from, okay, because it is a okay, no distribution, okay. So for that I will right click, okay, for that I will right click this format. I will click, okay, select, okay, to this my new one, okay, edit, create sub bi, double click, right click, pattern 1 and 1, edit icon. I will delete this one, okay. Now 0 to 19 string, 0 to 19 string, okay. Shape 0 to 19, okay, 0 to 19. From tomorrow we will start another things, okay. 0 to 19. Now we can design 0 to 99. How? Look at here, okay. Think it is a my insert, delete, control B. From this platform if I will, okay, from this platform if I will insert number, okay. Now I am taking greater than value, okay. Now I will take the greater than value, okay, and label greater than equal to. If the number is greater than equal to 19, create constant 19 greater than and equal to 19, okay, not below. So I will use one case structure here. Look at here what I can do. I will use create structure here. If my number will be greater than g and greater than, okay, if no, if number is not greater than, okay, if number is greater than, okay, greater than and equal to 20, if number is greater than and equal to 20, okay. So here I will call my this sub bi, okay. Here I will call 0 to 19 because my number is not greater than and equal to 0, okay. And I will use and I will connect with this because my number is not greater than and equal to 0. If my number is greater than or equal to 20, sorry, if my number is greater than and equal to 20, then I will write one more case. Here I am using this sub bi, okay. Now this sub bi, look at here. If my number is greater than equal to 20, No, my number is not greater than or equal to 20. It means it's 0 to 19. So I am using 0 to 19 words. Okay. If my number is greater than and equal to 20, then I will write one code. So programming is not that much easy as much we can. So now from now I will divide with 2. Okay. From now I will divide with 2. Right? Yes. Okay. So remainder, this is remainder, and always remainder will be 0 to 9. Always remainder will be 0 to 9. Always remainder will be 0 to 9. Okay. So for that, always remainder will be 0 to 9. So I will use this 0 to 9 tools for the backgrounds. Look at here, only 2 minutes you will get the magic and you will happy to write this after. Okay. Now it will be reminders. Okay. Now I need one more things. Right click, array, take one numeric, okay. So let's see how we can do. Wait, here, okay. TW 20 30 40, because it's very easy program. If you will cannot design this program, then you cannot design large projects, because it is very easy, no need to do anything. 50 FIF, sorry 40, okay. 50 60 70 80 90. Okay. Now after that right click. Now after that right click and okay, right click, come to the numeric, subtract. Constant, create constant 2, because it will be generate always from the 2, but it start from 0. So again take an index bar, look at here carefully. Now take one concatenate, string concatenate. Where the string concatenate? Here is the string concatenate. I am taking one from here, I am taking another from here. wait, this is wrong. Okay, control Z, again it's hanged. Space, look at here. Now our target is completed. Please watch here. It is from 0 to 99, 9, 19, okay, 920, okay, 29, okay, 920. Wait, delete this one, delete this one, control B, delete this one with the upper, okay, control T, 29, 30, okay. After there is one mistake, 30, we need to revolve that. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, okay. So now it's good. So by using this program you can generate your number from 0 to 99. To resolve this thing, space, delete, okay. Now if I will place here 40, then it will only 40. It is a collect for the 0 to 99. Please design this one in two condition only. This functions, the false condition, there is the this function. Please design this program. If you're done, then please inform me. Anybody done? Anybody done? Okay, so it is 0 to 99. How can we design for 0 to 900 and 999? How can we design for the 0 to 999? We'll see that's okay. That is your homework. Please try to design from 0 to 999. Okay, 0 to 999. If you can design, then please design. If no, then I will tell you. I will show you how can we design. Now again, right click, edit, create a sub BI. Right click, double click, open, one input, one output, edit, 0 to 99. Okay. Delete, 0 to 99 string. Save it. Control T. I need to copy this one only. Wait. Control C. Save it. Save it. Save 0 to 99. To 99. Okay, now you can see this is also presenting here. Let's see, delete this one. Okay, 0 to 99, delete this one. Okay, delete again, all those things delete again. Now can you tell me how we can write for the 0 to 999? Can anybody tell me how we can design from 0 to 999? It is very easy. It's very easy. Again, same procedure. Okay. Let's see. DLC, no, untitled box. Okay. Look at it is very easy procedure. 0 to 999. Take numbers. Okay. After that, come to the block diagram. Same program. Is greater than equal to 100 is 100, greater than 100. Okay, if number is greater than equal to 100, take same case structure. Okay, in the no condition, false condition, right click, come to the false. Okay, 0 to 999 sub BI for 0 to 999 sub BI. Sorry, 99 sub BI for the true, and for the false condition, right click, take here what? Okay, this numeric, divide numbers, right click, create constant 100. Okay, there is one remainder. Remainder will be 0 to 99 always. So 0 to 99, drag it. It will be the remainder 0 to 99. Right click, come here. HUNDR 100. Okay, whatever the spelling, hundreds. Okay, space before and space after. Okay, now this one is my, and it will go to the 0 to 9. So I will place here. Now I will come the array, index array. I will take this index array. I will connect. Okay. I will make a connection with this. Right click. I will come to the concatenate. Drag. Right click, create indicators. Look at here. Now my program is complete. Okay. Run. 0 675. Okay. Program is done for 675. So now you can design your next step for 0 to 9999. So why we are designing these things? Let's discuss about that thing. Okay. First I am going to save. I will design here by the quotient and remainders. Okay. Okay. Now Control A, delete. Going to save it. Double click. Save. Save as 02999. 02999. Okay. What will be the benefit? Let's discuss here. Now come on our main VI. This is my main VI. Inside in this main VI, here it is my single digit. In this sub VI there is one problem. There is one mistake, and the mistake is indicators. Save. Let's see, can I use or not? Control T. Okay. So what will happen? Okay. No problem. Okay. So here, if I will use my that's given content const idea, so how can I use? Let's see once. Okay. Look at here carefully. I will use one add functions here to add these numbers, both numbers, because I have done one mistake inside the sub VI. So I don't want to rectify it right now. Okay. Now right click. Sorry. 0 to 9 sub VI. Okay. Again I will take same sub VI 0 to 9. 0 to 19. Maximum number will be 0 to 19. So for that, right click. Okay. Indicator. Right click. Indicator. And for this one, I will use. Look at here. Space plus space, and again I will use this one equal, sorry, space equal space. I know today I am very fast. I will share this video because to design one projects we need near about 4 to 5 hours completely. And if you want to design, then you need at least 5 to 7 hours. So we don't have that much time. That's because I know today I am very fast. Indicator. Look at here, sir. Please. Okay, string, string, and string. If you think the basic child learning is the useless things and I want what is the benefits, then it is your wrong concept. It take too much brain and too much time. Now 0 plus 0 equal to 0. If I will run 1 plus 1, okay, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So you can also design your basic child learning apps like this. Okay. For the addition of two numbers. Anujji, any questions? Okay, I know I am very fast. Wait.